Most of that is going to be conveyed through.
What's okay? Is anybody an audio sport person?
Not particularly. Are you? Excellent.
So, yeah.
Want to join?
I do. Yeah.
Excellent. Great. You got anything?
Nope. My son's a senior in high school and just wanted to combine and see what you're doing.
Great. No, absolutely. No, that's perfect. That's awesome. What do you work with?
Well, I do compositions and stuff, and I have some, a microphone with preamps and things that can bring in.
Really? Because I got my mic, but I'm sure you go for it. That was beautiful. If you can make a song out of that, I will be so happy.
Oh my god.
He changed it a little bit. It sounds really eerie. Like,
Yeah.
don't have nightmares.
Yeah, like,
That's you.
That's really creepy.
yeah, you're creepy.
Yeah, you scream really weird. Oh my god!
Right?
I heard that from here. That's horrifying.
Someone is singing.
We're gonna be responsible for somebody dying. That's okay. Somebody's gonna murder somebody because of that.
We're also gonna get the message.
And you can really ask yourself, what do I do now? Because
Vamp, apparently. So.
But we just didn't have really enough time to add a randomized function to
agent.
whenever they collide with each other. There's just happens to be a chance that one of them will punch the other. Somebody else.
Oh my god! Yeah!
Yeah! The hat says Canada, by the way.
He's a defector! It's something that looks like his eyebrows raised in the shadow, and it's really
Don't actually do the damage to it. I have to retrieve.
We studied the demographic, the gaming community across the country, and we realized it's a $35 billion market, and Buffalo is number 5 for spending most on games.
That's really disproportionate to the city's population, right?
Well, I guess it's the weather, and they were, so people like to play games on the inside of their house. So we wanted to get people outside of their house and create a more social environment for games, more positive, bring a positive light to games.
Yeah.
Convention all the way in the back. There's indie games, there is PC games right in front of us. There is a lot at this convention.
Oh yeah.
I really hope that next year's event is going to be with the same convention,
Same people,
button check. He was waiting for it. He was waiting for it. Shot out of the air like Duck Hunt. Absolutely incredible.
Pushes him out, this is gonna hurt him.
With the Superman punch.
It is all one.
Establishing the Jax dominance, saying, this is my character.
No,
you called it.
We're always on guns.
That's very important. As if he won the match already. I'm not sure what is that? Is that Salt?
No, he just won. Wait, what's going on? Yo, what the hell?
It is Salt. Yeah.
What the hell?
That's Salt.
Gonna document the documentarian over here.
Oh my god.
You reached a new level of the meta.
When we handed him all the stuff this morning, kind of holding back the tears, his whole family was. It was a good moment.
Your comments on the Facebook posts was the C. The best part in the FGC is the C.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's the best part of the FGC
community.
is the C, the community.
Some video game
fanatics put aside their rivalries for a noble cause. Gamers Nostalgia on Culver Road held a video game tournament today. Proceeds and donations are going to a fellow gamer whose family lost everything in a house fire the day before Mother's Day.
It's fantastic to see that people can kind of put some of that stuff to the side because even though it's competitive gaming, real life happens. And when real life happens, we got to be there for each other. People are bringing in canned goods and clothes and sheets and anything else they feel like can help the young man out. So it's great.